Hello everybody, Gregoro here, and in today's video, I'm just traveling along the yard in the various patches of foliage and blossoms and blooms and frillies and frazzles, and finding all sorts of dazzling specters. It was quite the adventure. Found all sorts of beautiful little organisms, some of which I might have rubbed a little or patted, talked to maybe even sang a little tune or two. But nonetheless, I found some new friends. So, on March 20th, the moon, which will be called by some as the super worm moon, will be relatively larger and brighter, and it'll look pretty cool. The thing is, though, the full moon is right on the dot. She is marking right when spring is starting up. So that is, I don't want to call it like an omen, but maybe a sign. It's powerful. I already have some crystals outside soaking up the lunar rays, but yeah, so spring is here. And to be honest, let's all of us kind of be cognizant on how everything has been playing out recently in the past couple of years. Look at all the celestial events. Something's brewing. I don't know what to be exact, but it's always helpful to be aware of all that is happening to the best of our capabilities, that is. And we, sentient creatures, are capable of incredible things, so that in mind, be aware, be safe, and maybe meditate a little bit. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.